No vaccine rollout, no MGCQ discussions for now. This is how President Rodrigo Duterte relayed his decision to the cabinet members after the economic team pushed for more relaxed quarantine rules. Despite differences of opinion, Cabinet Secretary Carlo Nograles says that economic managers accept the decision of the president due to the delay in the COVID-19 vaccination program.
It was a difficult decision. There's a time for everything. There's a step-by-step process that we need to do here. And ang gusto mangyari ni Pangulo, let's see a vaccination rollout being implemented actually on the ground before we reconsider again the MGCQ for the entire country.
Nograles says that since Metro Manila will continue to be under General Community Quarantine or GCQ next month, the Interagency Task Force will look at its current framework and assess which industries can now be allowed despite the quarantine status.
Review the guidelines within the context na kung GCQ pa yan, ano pa yung pwede nating pagluluwag na gagawin.
Health experts back the president's move, saying that not shifting the entire country now to MGCQ could give them more time to prepare.
As frontline healthcare workers, that's quite relief for us, no? Because we still do have time, a lot of time to really prepare.
Because the numbers are not really good, and it's coming from the DOH. I mean, you need to, really own that particular data as if it's coming to the Department of Health. And it will not really, tell us another view. It is science, and it is basically rational.
Apart from the quarantine status, Nograles says that the government will also address other economic concerns such as giving aid to hog raisers through insurance subsidy, creating a task force on national employment recovery strategy, and improving the country's telco sector. There's no definitive guidelines yet on what the president meant when it comes to the no vaccine rollout, no MGCQ policy. Will it involve only the priority or essential workers, or will it also involve the general population to get vaccinated first, which could take for months? As for the Interagency Task Force, the assessment will come on a month-to-month basis. Tristan Nodalo, CNN, Philippines.